Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Motorola Moto G85. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls, then click Get Started and click Child or Teen. Now click Next and here click on Add or Create account for your child. Now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your password. Now click I agree. And scroll down and click Accept. Now you have to choose your account, and here you have to enter your parent email address, and then click Next, and you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to swipe all the way down, and here you have to enter your child's password again. Now click Next, then scroll down and click Next. Then click Next again, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then click Skip again. Now you can click on Review Controls, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.